Hi, Kyler with FlexArm to go over this week's robotics and manufacturing. Today I just want to touch on how and why we use our robot in our shop. Here at FlexArm, we use the Ready robot for tending our lathes, mill, and more recently, our 5-axis machine. Our goal is to use the robot for tedious tasks like opening and closing the door, changing the part out, and starting the machine cycle, so our machinists have more time to do other tasks like setting up new jobs or programs. We chose to use Ready Robotics because of the versatility of their unit and how simple their forge station makes programming. When we first got our robot about 9 months ago, we had very little experience in robotics. But with the user-friendly interface, the Ready robot has given us the capability to be the integrators. Today, the robot is able and ready to tend 5 of the 7 CNCs in our shop. Thank you for watching. If you have an interest in robotics or are looking to integrate robotics into your shop, check out our robotics and manufacturing webpage to see other videos that we have done in the series, or give us a call at 1-800-837-2503.